Hello my friends, today in this video we are learning the kinds of sentences. The first one is statements. In the statements or assertive sentence there are two kinds. One is affirmative sentence and second is negative sentence. In affirmative sentence होकारार्थी वाक्य, negative sentence नकारार्थी वाक्य. First, we are studying the opposite words. Which opposite words? Just examples I like to give you. Able, unable, fast, slow, in, out, strong, weak, beautiful, ugly, deep, shallow. Inside, outside, like this we must write the opposite words. And these opposite words we are making the sentences. These are the affirmative sentence. By this affirmative sentence we are making negative sentence. For example, I am very strong. We are not changing the meaning of this sentence. For example, I am very strong. These sentences I have given here. We are writing the sentences and the opposite words. I am very strong. For example, I am not weak. We are not changing the sentence. I am not weak. She is beautiful. In this sentence, she is not. Opposite of beautiful, we are writing ugly. We are making the sentence is not ugly. The next one is we are clever. We must try to understand what is the opposite word of clever. The opposite of clever is dull. We are not dull. It is a deep well. It is deep well. The opposite words of the deep is shallow. It is not shallow well. It is not a shallow well. I am happy. This sentence is given. The opposite of happy, sad. I am not sad. What we are doing? We are writing make negative. We are using the not. In affirmative, not, never, nothing. These words are not coming. In a negative, these words are coming. We are changing the opposite. We are taking the opposite words. We are not changing the meaning. The second one is the negative sentence is given. We are making the sentence affirmative. Make affirmative. She is not ugly. This sentence is here. She is not ugly. She is not ugly means she is beautiful. We are writing this sentence. Ugly, opposite of ugly, beautiful is there. She is beautiful. The next one, he is not fat. He is not fat, to latha nahi. Means he is opposite of fat, thin. He is thin. This is the affirmative sentence we are making. The full stop will there. The statements, the formula is yes plus mv plus o. Statements pv or mv. Okay. They are not wet. They are dry. Opposite of word dry, wet, dry. We are taking the opposite words. These opposite words we are taking, and we must recite more than 100 opposite words. We are not rich. What is the opposite word of rich? We are. What we are doing? We are poor. Not. We are not taking this sentence. Make affirmative, make negative. The sentence is given negative, we are making affirmative. Sentence is given affirmative, we are making negative. You are not timid means you are. What is the word for timid? Timid means what? The bold. We are bold means we are not timid. Try to understand first the statements, the sentence is there, the first part of the kinds of sentences. In statements, There are two kinds, affirmative and negative. And what the question will come, make negative, make affirmative. This question will come, and these opposite words also very important for before the studying these sentences. I am very strong, I am not weak. She is beautiful, she is not ugly. We are clever, we are not dull. It is deep well, it is not shallow well. I am happy, I am sad. Naturally, this type of examples are here. This is a make negative and this is make affirmative. In negative sentence, not, never, nothing, nobody is the words. None these words are there. She is not ugly, she is beautiful. He is not fat, he is thin. They are not wet, they are dry. We are not rich, we are poor. You are not timid, you are bold. So we must keep in mind the opposite words and we must recite it properly. Then we can understand, make affirmative and make negative. So first the antonyms we must know, then this sentence says practice is very important. So best of luck for the practice of the make affirmative and make negative. Thank you very much for watching and share this video, comments and give the subscribe of this video. Thank you very much.